Alright, what's up YouTube? This is my new bike. Got the Sunday Third Wave in blue. Yeah, blue. Let's start off from the top. So what I got is Odyssey par ends. I know they're bar ends, but they're called Odyssey par ends. You can see they're like blue. I got pink stolen money grips. They're really comfortable. I like them. And then I got Odyssey Lumberjack bars. Pretty dope. I got a top red stem. Not sure what it is. Whatever. I got some pitchforks in black. I got Primo Pig. Not for sure which one. And I got another Primo Pig on that side. The one that comes with the sleeve. And then I got a Vendero 2 hub. Odyssey. And then the Vendero 2 should be right there. Yep. Love this. I got Odyssey Hazard Light. And then I got a bell cap. Not sure what it is. Whatever. Third wave. So dope. Right there is the waves. I guess that's the waves. Yeah. It has it on the top too. So dope. Looks clean. I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in clear. Odyssey. I got We the People cranks in black. And I got an animal. Chain guard and sprocket. Pretty dope. I got a Shadow Halfling chain. You guys can see it says Shadow. Yeah, whatever. Right there. I got Demolition. Backup. Normal spokes. Lift it up myself. Put black and white spokes. And then I got a Fit Biko 2.25 in the back. Love it. And I got a Premium Refuse in the front. 2.252. I got an Animal Butch Pig in the back. Stock bottom bracket. Demolition hub. Primo spokes. Hazard light in the back. And then oh yeah, my seat. I got a Primo seat. Pretty dope. Pretty soft. Got rid of my other seat. It's not super thick, but it's comfy. And it says Primo. And then Primo sound. Sunday seat clamp. And stolen or something with Nest seat. It gets stuck in there, but I like it because I don't even have that on. It comes off. I just have it just cause, so it just comes off and stuff. And then I was gonna take it off, but then it just looks retarded without it. So I was just like, whatever, I'll leave it. Oh yeah, my headset's Makino. some shit like that. And I got 2 silver desk spacers and a black one. And guess that's all I can do with hub sound. Let me see. I left my tripod inside. Oh yeah, this is 41 thermal. Pretty dope. Oh yeah, and I got Shadow Hollow Bolts. You can see that Shadow Hollow. And my back axle is hollow too, if you've seen it already. Hollow. And yeah, I like it. It's solid. Nothing bad. The only thing I might get later on are there's a bottom bracket so it won't be stock, and a better top load stem. Other than that, looks dope. I like it. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And again, it's the Sunday third wave. Sunday Soundwave 3 or third wave, whatever you call it. And then another look around there. Got the Gamescom sticker too. Yep, that's it from that side. And from this side. And that's it. If you guys want me to do any part reviews, comment in the bottom. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm getting better, and I'm gonna start putting more better videos. Yeah, thanks. Peace.